Welcome to my sacred circle. Woo! I'm really excited about this. This is an offering that I've been looking forward to be able to share with you for a long time, years, in fact. And now it's here. So let me tell you about my sacred circle, please. Here is the main piece, which is once a week, pretty much, we're going to do a call together. You can Skype in on the internet, you can come in on the chat, you can call in once a week and ask me questions. We're going to talk to each other, we're going to connect. And if you can't be on the call and you have a personal question for me, you can type it in and I'll address those calls during our sacred circle time. Now, one of the wonderful things about this is you'll get the download. So if you're not there, you'll get the download every single week of the audio of our class. And you're going to get huge discounts on my audio workshops and programs. I love being able to offer that to you. So come on in, check it out, see if it works for you. I'm hoping it will, and I hope we get to be in circle together. Thank you.